Hey guys, thanks for checking out Auto Drill's videos. Obviously, you can check us out on the web at autodrill.com, or you can give us a phone call at 800-871-5022, or of course reach out to us at 908-542-0244 internationally. So I just want to profile here some of the units that are going out to our customers today. And so we've got 2 units here with tappers on them. These are self-reversing Tapmatic heads put on a 2000 series auto drill. Got a Baldor motor here, and so that's a 3-phase motor with a gear reduction system to get down to the appropriate RPM with a belt and pulley system that's located in here. So this unit with, you can't really see it all that well, but there's a rubber flex collet in there. And this unit will be used for self-stroking tapping. So it'll go forward and tap the hole. When it reverses, this spindle here actually pulls out and spins the opposite direction, even though the motor and the drill do not, and will reverse out of the hole. And so when we do these units, we've got a feed control on the back side there, and that allows for the motion of the unit to be controlled while they're performing the process, so that you're not jamming your tap into your part or ripping it out and destroying the threads. So we've got the same unit over here basically. You can see the feed control here, and so this unit here has a pull style. I can't even pull this because our unit makes so much stroke, but if I adjusted this down or so. Yep, so anyway, I don't have the hand strength to do it. Anyway, so that unit there will pull out. So that's a blooper reel right there, but I'm going to leave that in. So that unit there, when this comes out here and this tapping head pulls out to go to engage the hole, this stop collar here will hit this collar. We'll use this feed control here to make sure that the unit is moving forward in a very controlled manner. When it reverses back, it does the same thing. And of course this, as it pulls out on the way back, reverses rotation and provides the tapped hole in a very high quality fashion. So over here we have multiple spindle heads. We have here an ER11, an ER16, and an ER25. And so the ER11 head looks like it's doing, for this customer, these are all metric jobs, it looks like. This is a 3mm hole. Actually, this one's a 3/16 for the ER16, and this big boy is a 12mm, or they might be doing a 7/16 hole, because there's enough closure. These are kind of cool because these can actually go on the nose of a self-feeding auto drill. They can go on a CNC, they can go onto your drill press, they can go onto your mill, they can even go on the face of a motor if you want to build a custom fixture. And not only will they drill or tap or ream or process 2 locations at once, but you can adjust the center to center here and get very close or very far apart with any of these units. And of course they have different ranges. These 3 look like they're all going onto drill press machines. We've got a Morse Taper 2 for this one and a Morse Taper 3 for that one. And so I'm guessing that these are going on to just a standard Jet or Delta Grizzly drill press out there. We can do these with R8 for your Bridgeport. We can do these with Cat 40 for your CNC machine, Cat 50 for your CNC machine, really almost anything. And so we would love to serve you by providing these type of units for your manufacturing process, whether it's a 2-spindle head, single spindle head, a 4-spindle head on one of these units or on your unit, all the way up to about 40 spindles is our maximum. And then we just give you 2 units, and you can do 80 or 160 if you want to do 4. We'll help you be efficient, be fast, be accurate, and get ahead of the competition during this bounce back season. We would love to help you. Again, autodrill.com, toll free 800-871-5022, or of course you can reach us internationally at 01-908-542-0244. Thank you.